We have created this subject from 4th grade of primary up to 6th grade, so from 9 years old up to 12. What we want is students to learn technology, but not as users, but as someone who can program it, who can manage it, and who can create his or her own programs. We think it helps students to work in groups, to plan better, create their own projects, practice them. We work through projects, so what we want students to do is to plan their own projects, to do all the planification, start programming it, and any problem they find, they have to look for the solution. So it's like a challenge style or a challenge way to learn, so that they program, they try, they meet again, they look for solutions, and they try every time until they find the solution. Try to connect robotics with all the subjects we have, so that if any program we do, especially using 3D design, we involve mathematics. But also, if we want to create some robots to do any activity in science, or to measure any time, like there was a time one student programmed a ramp in which he was measuring the speed of the objects falling through it. So he put some sensors on the screen, and he had to do all the calculations. That's the idea, connecting technology or robotics with all the subjects.
We're doing a 3D printer, but a big one, a huge one.
We have been working for 1 year.
1.5 years, more or less.
I have the idea.
And then
I present to the manager, and he accepts.
We sometimes need very big pieces, and those can't print big pieces. So we have to redesign a lot of pieces.
We use FreeCAD to design the piece,
and Cura for transferring them to the CD card.
Hi, my name is Jesus
and my name is Carlos,
and we are in 6th grade. We started this project before 2 years.
In 2014, I think, yes.
Yeah. And we do the BB-8 because the new Star Wars film starts and it's so good.
And we think that it's a good idea to do a BB-8.
We do the BB-8 with a 3D printer and with a program that is Bitbloq, that is a mix with Arduino and BQ.
That we program the motors, and we do that the BB-8 move.
Hi, my name is Adrian.
And my name is David.
And we are a student of 6th grade.
We are doing an R2D2 to move, and it's going to move the legs and the head, like this.
And we control the R2D2 with a mobile phone.
With Bluetooth.
We start in September of 2015.
We use Bitbloq, OpenScad. We do the part with a
3D printer.
And that's all.
My name is David.
And my name is Diego.
And my name is Juan.
And we are going to present you why we do this robot.
We do this robot because some people doesn't play football very well, and with this robot can play it good.
We made this robot with Lego NXT. We put 2 wheels, 3 motors, and an arm for the ball.
We control it with an app
of Android.
That is this.
We created with
me,
Meetup Inventor. I don't play football very well and I can play it with that robot.
And we like the robots.
Hello, my name is Marina. And my name is Leire. Our project is the big keyboard. That is a keyboard where you can play music and you don't have to touch. You have to put your hand and it sounds. I think that I learned how to program letters in 3D. And I learned how to program Bitbloq and how to play the keyboard.